Alright guys, the 2020 Yamaha R6. Beautiful. Alright guys, this is my dream bike. We are here at Motorcycle Mall for the Yamaha demo day. My favorite of all time sport bike. It is a beautiful crafted piece of artwork. Probably the best looking 600 of all time. It is gorgeous. And we're gonna throw a leg over it now. Yeah! What up? This is way different than what you guys are used to seeing on the channel, huh? No Harley content today, baby. Look at this beast. My favorite, my all-time favorite sport bike. The Yamaha R6. What a beast, man. I love this bike. I have yet to ridden this new model. Last model has been on it. This one, now. If you're new to my channel, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I ride a 2020 Harley Davidson Lowrider S, which I'm literally building out little by little. And if you've been following me for some time now, you know that I've been wanting this bike for a really long time. A few months ago, a year ago, I said I was gonna buy it, and I was gonna buy this bike this summertime, and I didn't. I changed my mind. I wanted to just stick to the roots and just stay with the Harley family and just get another Harley. But damn, I kind of want this bike. Now that I threw a leg over it, I want it. It's just my all-time dream bike. Since I was a little kid, this was the bike that I dreamed about, and I just thought, okay, yeah. So this is a bike that I dreamed about one day having, and yeah, this little demo ride is making me want this bike. Oh man, I'm not sure how the view is right now because I know I'm a little tucked in. I tried to lift up the GoPro up a little more, but I'm not sure how the view is, so let me know if it's all right. Oh man, why did I do this? Why did I do this? After changing my mind, now wanted to buy this bike and said, hey, you know what? I might get a Road Glide or I might get a Road King. And I go ahead and I throw a leg over this bike, and yeah. This little demo ride today is like, I haven't been too happy with it. They don't want us filming. They're not taking us on the highways either. It's just literally like around town, so you're really unable to, you know, test these bikes to the full potential of what they are, you know. Riding around town, it's just, you know, you don't get the full potential of a bike like that. But hey, we can't all be too picky, can we? So this is probably everyone's favorite 600 out of everything. I mean, you got the Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R, which for some time I was contemplating getting because it's just cheaper than this bike, and you know, it comes with a quick shifter, and it's that unique sound that Ninja makes. So I don't know, Kawasaki has a lot of things where that Yamaha still needs to do with this R6. We got Suzuki with the Gixxers, but come on, you can't put a Gixxer in front of an R6. This is, am I wrong, or is this not everybody's favorite 600? I've actually got plenty of times before too. I'm like, hey, would you guys like to see, you know, to see this bike on the channel? Should I get this bike? A lot of people were saying yes. Most people said no. But now that I'm kind of like just contemplating over the Road Glide, I'm getting like a bunch of random comments of people telling me, hey, get a leader bike or get the R6. Like, I don't know, like what's what's something that you guys want to see on the channel? You guys want to just strictly just see Harley, just Harley, or would you like to see a little more of a change? Obviously, I'm not saying that I'm getting rid of my Lowrider S, because I'll never get rid of that bike. If I'm getting other bikes, it's to add on to the collection, guys. So it will be my Lowrider S, and then it'll be like a Road Glide or a Road King, or it'll be my Lowrider S and this R6. Tempting. Oh, I love it, man. Now, I am 5'7". I am on the balls of my feet, so this bike does sit a bit tall. I know the ZX6R sits a little lower to the ground, but the position is really, you know, you got a lot of people saying, oh, you know, sport bikes are just really uncomfortable. But like I said before, I'm 5'7", so for me, I'm a shorter guy. These bikes are really meant for shorter guys. Shorter guys out here are going to be comfortable. If you're 6 feet and above, you're going to be cramped up and you're going to be super uncomfortable. I'm sorry. That's why you got a lot of people going, you know, coming from sport bikes onto cruisers saying, oh, well, I got rid of the sport bike because the back pains and it's so uncomfortable. But you take a look at them, and these guys are super tall, man, and obviously you were super cramped up on a tiny bike, man. Oh my god, the sound of this bike, gotta love it. It's so crazy because I'm literally only going 27 miles an hour, but just the noise, it's what gives you that rush and that feeling like, wow. It makes you think you're going really fast, but you're really not. This thing flies though, man. It just wants to take off. Boom, boom. God, I always dreamed about this bike. I think that sound is just what makes me go crazy over this bike. Now, do I know all the ins and outs of this bike? Unfortunately, no. This is only a ride review. This is not a detailed review of the bike, just a ride review. I just want to let you guys know what it feels like to be on this little on this beast. Not even little bad boy. It's a beast, man. It's a beast, let's just say it. This bike is literally meant for the track. That's why a lot of people were telling me, hey, don't, you know, you're never gonna get the full potential out of the bike on the road, you know. You're never gonna get the full potential. Let's take it to the track. It's a track bike. But I mean, come on, I'm not gonna be killing myself on the road all the time, you know. Do I like speed? Yes. You know, most of the time I'm cruising on my Lowrider S and I'm cruising at 90. That's like the cruising for that bike. I mean, this bike, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be cruising at 110, if not more. But I mean, it's a crotch rocket, man. What are you gonna say? Hopefully I was able to get the little lust that I had for this bike at his little ride, and it could just totally divert me away. Hopefully that's what happens. Hopefully I don't get up and say, fuck it, I'm gonna get an R6. This is just so different from me being on my bike, because obviously on my bike I'm on an upright position, my fists are up, I'm sitting up. This I'm like all bent over. Yeah, I mean, if you got a bad back, this is not the bike for you. I really wish I was able to take this bike on the highway and open it up a little, because like, well, what do you guys think? Do you guys like this bike or what? This guy right in front of me is riding the Kuryakyn. The Kuryakyn is that bike with the 3 wheels, and it has like 4 forks in the front. Thing is weird as hell. Well guys, I think that's gonna be it. Will I get this bike? I don't know. Is it cool? Yes. Is it beautiful? Yes. Is it priced at a good price point? Yeah, it's pretty good. Let me know your thoughts below. What you guys think about the Yamaha R6. Is it your favorite sport bike? Is it not? Is it the sport bike you would choose if you had the choice? Like I said before, this was only a ride review, not an in-depth review of the bike. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button. It's going to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, guys, ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.